Hey guys, it's RAS Daddies. So today we're gonna be doing a mukbang and just like chit chat with us because why not, you know? Maybe spill some tea, talk about life.
We gotta talk about it first of all.
How is life, you know? How is life for you guys, you know? Comment down below.
Yeah, our 70 subscribers still has not changed. So how are you guys? How is Amy, basically, because you don't even take our
Oh yeah, basically she is the only one that comments. Amy, how are you? How's life? How's school?
How's softball?
I want to play softball. I want to play softball. I haven't played in a minute.
Me too, but that's competitive.
I'm competitive, you know?
No, in Cathedral. No, like Cathedral.
Oh.
Like if I were to try out. This is good. I'm ugly.
Girl, same. You can see the picture we took?
Our thumbnail.
Oh, stupid.
Nobody just do the ASMR. The microphone's on here.
This bitch, oh my god. Ew, that sounds nasty.
Oh no, yeah, here.
Hi guys.
Gabby's so weird. This is what, yo.
So today we're doing a mukbang.
A mukbang. Whatever sound. Oh, this man's saucy.
You know, I don't get the sauce. Sauce. It's hot.
Mm-hmm. I don't know, like what? Sorry. But what's that mad sauce? Oh!
So somebody bring up a topic. Oh.
Boys. What is your opinion on stupid boys?
So I'm just thinking about my average in math. It's a 50, so just want to put that out there, Mom. I'm sorry. 44. Scholars.
Damn, I got a 70. What up?
You have a different math teacher though.
And I hate her. Well, she was not a but I understand that. She does not teach. Like, I kid you not. Like, I could be so lost. I asked her a question and she literally just repeats the whole topic from the beginning to end.
I'm scared. I think I'm gonna have to take my wisdom teeth out. It hurts every time I chew.
Bro, I just hate school. Like, I'm gonna drop out.
Whose idea was this? Because
Ooh.
it's good.
You never had it before?
No, I mean Parmesan, but yo, I just got Parmesan all over my nail.
Okay. But you told me bring up a topic, I bring up a topic, and then she brings up her average.
Sorry. What's the topic again?
Stupid boys.
I don't have an opinion.
Girls run the world. Girls are queens. Unless you're a skanko. Then you're not a queen. Then you're not a queen. You heard that? We are all queens.
Oh wow.
Little smart queens.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the motivation.
You're welcome.
We love that.
When you look at yourself in the mirror every day,
That's so fun.
tell yourself you are a queen. A thick queen. A beautiful queen. A gorgeous queen. A queen. Don't laugh at me. It is true.
Everyone's gonna press on the video and be like, what the fuck? Bless you.
Bro, she scared me. He scared me. Whatever she, it scared me.
A boy. The girl over here.
Hi, girlie.
Money no. Guys, let's talk about how all this was $21.
Period.
And y'all know Domino's expensive.
Expensivo. Great deal.
You got a soda, bread steak, cinnamon stick.
Ugh. Oh, and it's not even like. Excuse me. Whoa.
How many times have you burped already?
Like 3. Like 3. And then you farted.
I didn't fart. I have to.
Oh, I thought you said I farted.
No, he's like, I have to fart.
Bro, this whole thing is just gonna be us burping. We burp more than we talk.
My mom's gonna be like, ustedes son puerca, de verdad.
They call me a pig. Literally.
My mom don't watch, so it's alright.
My mom is.
My dad don't watch. My mom watch. Hello, mother. Ooh.
Alright.
Excuse me.
That one was
It's the
disgusting.
soda. Nah, I remember at lunch when I burped and then yo, that shit hurt.
Bro. It sounded like her esophagus broke. I was like, damn.
I've never heard you laugh like that, girl.
My heart is good.
Nope. I almost fell.
At lunch, bro, I forgot what I was eating. Yo, I drank some water and out of nowhere, I was gonna be mad quiet because they were talking, you know. And I had my mouth closed on here was up.
And then I'm the
Yo, so then I know you see me going, ow, yo, that hurt. Yo, these are mad good. I might just eat all of this instead of the pizza.
It's alright. Ew! That's not even cute, bro.
Nobody looked at me.
I'm gonna zoom into it.
I'm gonna be black.
Brought up, boys go to Jupiter, get more stupider. Girls go to college to get more knowledge. That's what it is.
That's the mundo.
Oh my gosh, we're really about to be seniors.
Bro, that ass.
Like in 1 year exactly from today, that's gonna be our last mass.
Oh, wow.
What do you think about it?
I could already see my girls at Cathedral posting a picture. My last first day at high school with their little uniform.
I'm scared for college.
She just worries too much
I'm
about
going to
everything.
Lebanon, so
I think that's where my mom went.
that's where I'm going. That's my number 1.
Mine is Stony Brook. Stony Brook was mad pretty when
Not Stony Brook. I'm applied, but
but Stony Brook, like, literally, like, it's mad beautiful. Like, I
we're
fell in
going
love.
into- No, but
I didn't
you have
like
an
it.
advantage.
Did I just say I fell into love? I fell in love.
You have an advantage because Stony Brook, like if you're going to medical school and you want to go get.
Oh, yeah, it has
get
a
one,
hospital on campus.
Stony Brook
Yo,
was
the
like-
hospital was so beautiful, bro. Oh my god.
why you went to the hospital?
They showed us. It was part of like the tour. Like no, and
My tour, I
not
didn't
even
go to
they
the
didn't
hospital.
show us, but like when you're going, you see it. You see how big it is, and it's mad pretty.
Yeah.
Anyways, I didn't like Stony Brook. It looked too old. I felt like I was in elementary school. It smelled like preschool in there. I was like, nah, that's not it. I like the blue buildings out of glass, you know.
When did you go?
I went on Saturday.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
It's because I think it depends when you go.
I went on a
What's class in
Tuesday.
session?
Yeah, there were students.
Nah, we went into the dorm. The dorms are mad like, they're spacious, but also depends if you get a suite. Like the one we went to was the one where like I don't even forgot
A
what
regular
it's called.
one.
Yeah, they had a special name for them.
So I'm going to U-Albany.
Quiet. And that top one I think is
I gotta pee.
I like U-Albany and
Geneseo,
Rutgers.
Rutgers, Binghamton.
Have you been to Binghamton?
I did a virtual tour.
That's what I'm gonna do for the 2 schools I'm looking at in Florida because
But you know what? The virtual tours are good because there's actually like a person and they talk about each building. Like if you go online,
wait, how you do that again?
you look up the college virtual tour and it pops up.
Bitch, I was just about to have my cousin FaceTime me. I'll be like, okay, go.
In a week.
No, I'm strong. But you should still do that.
No, yeah, I am. What?
No, I'm strong.
Oh.
No, I'm strong.
I heard her, but I ignored her.
I was like, why is Gabby looking at me like that?
I looked at her in the camera. I was like, why is she?
Because.
Look at how greasy that looks. I'm still
Look
gonna
at
eat
all the
it.
sauce.
I told you, look.
Bro, did you put extra sauce instead of extra cheese?
She probably
No,
did.
bro.
I'm jacking it because this
No.
is too saucy.
It is too saucy. That's why I was like, hello.
I am.
Because this is not extra cheese.
No, but it's not extra sauce either.
Or is it?
The Domino's sauce never come like this.
This is.
No, I probably like this.
I have never.
This is good. Bro, I'm mad, like, fat. Oh! For the camera on top of a fruit box.
Sorry, I tried to hold it in. I couldn't hold it in.
I thought my burps were nasty. That was disgusting.
No, my burps are never like that because I never drink soda.
I was scared. Yo, I was over there and I'm thinking.
Yeah, I don't drink soda. Like, unless, like, that's the
Yo,
only thing,
everybody
but-
said.
I'm gonna spit my soda out.
Nah, bro. Mine be coming out of nowhere. Like, mine caused an earthquake. That's bad. That's not cute.
Mine is short.
I don't know how. I'm mad little mommy like everywhere. I have to hold it in sometimes because Sammy finds it nasty. He's like, ew. It's like everybody burp, everybody fart.
Exactly.
Grow up.
I'm still thinking
Yeah, I
about the
said
fact.
it. Grow up.
First of all,
That's like
Sammy.
a nerd.
First of all,
Is that a nerd?
why you think Hunter called it like?
Ooh.
Oh my
Or we're gonna
god.
keep this in?
Yes, so you can know,
like,
like,
cause the argument.
is this
I don't care.
for those who
You don't
are
even
loyal
watch.
Oh, you're
He
right.
he told me, he was like, I only watch her part. I was like,
The
why
what?
don't you watch everybody else's part? He was like, no, I don't watch yours. Who's that name?
Ugly.
Yours?
Jose. Ramon.
His name was Raphael.
Oh no.
No, isn't yours? Wait, what does it start with?
A.
Aaron?
No.
Anthony.
No.
Alex?
No.
Oh my
We're keeping this
god.
part of the video. I want to see if you guys get it.
I thought I saw it was
Alex.
Raphael.
Alexander.
I just said Alex.
Oh, you did?
no.
Anthony. Don't you say
I
that?
said that.
That's like it.
I'm not gonna get it.
Andrew.
Nope.
What does it
You
end
look
with?
like that,
What does it
Andrew.
end with?
An O.
You had to check.
Anthony.
Antonio.
Nope.
What the?
Because my grandfather had the same name, and I got my grandfather's name on my school ring. And Miguel has my dad's name and my grandfather's name. Ooh, that's his middle name. Excuse me.
What? A-O.
Yeah. And we
Alejandro.
No.
Alejandro.
And his nickname starts with an F.
No,
No, like there's an F in his name, but we take out the first two letters and just call him F to O.
Alfredo.
Alfredo. This is no.
So there's some.
I know.
A and F and a O. I feel that's
Alfredo. I know something.
No. My,
So what's your dad's name?
you give up?
Yeah.
Alfonso.
Oh damn!
Like
I should've
down.
done that.
Say,
And then-
push him down.
Oh my god.
Do you guys have fake names? Because my fake name is Jessica Alba.
Mine's like Vanessa. Like it's always been like weird. I don't know. What?
Y'all make up weird names.
You're fake. Like if you
If
were
you-
lame, you'll be like, "Hi, my name is whatever."
Oh.
If you running away, you're not gonna be like, my name Rose Penales. What's your fake name?
And that's the
Maria.
thing I look. Hell no, I do not look like fucking Maria.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Yeah, you do.
You actually do.
I don't know. I'm hiding. Nobody's gonna find me.
Have you guys actually thought of running away, like when you were younger?
Hell yes.
There was this one time my friend was like, "Yo, I'm taking my bike and I'm running away," and I was like, "Oh my gosh, can I come?" Like, we were just planning it. It was crazy.
I used to just hide in the second bathroom and take mad pillows and all my teddy bears in there.
I would just go to sleep.
I mean, one time.
Yeah, me too. And then one time I put a paper in my mom's door because I was mad. She was arguing with my aunt, and I was like, I'm going away. I'm gonna find me.
And Shorty was hiding in the
And
bathroom.
then she sat in front of the door. She was talking to me through the door.
Oh my god.
That's a movie, like
That
a movie scene.
I live in a movie. My life is. It's not a real song.
If we were a movie, you'd be the rock star. I'll be your best friend.
You fall in love with.
In the end, we'll be laughing.
Before it's filmed here.
No, because remember, it was darker outside. It wasn't like this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Whoa, she get mad nervous for what? Huh?
Get down.
Bro, I'm seeing stars.
Get down, shorty.
Nah, wait, chill, stop. That I see stars. Bye, guys. End it, Gabby. Oh my god, my phone.
Hold up, I do my that. Ladies, can you back it up? Back it up, 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 back it up.